Hey guys, my name's Ewan and welcome back to Makeup by Ewan. And in today's video I'm going to be reviewing, well not really reviewing, just like opening and like just having a little talk about what I got in my £3 mystery makeup bag. So I went onto Depop and bought, and there was this one seller who was selling a £5 makeup bag, a £3 makeup bag and a £1 makeup bag, and I wanted to buy the £5 one because I thought there's probably going to be like better stuff in there, like more like worth it, but that was sold out. The £1 one was like sold out, but I was never going to buy that anyway, so I purchased the £3 one. It came, and on like this is like really like nitpicky, but like on the Depop post it had like this really nice packaging with like flamingos on it, I think. Okay with this, but that's not the point. And my dumbass could not wait 5 days, no, like 2 days to open it. Like, so I had to open it last night because I just couldn't resist the urge. So I know what's in here, but I thought I'll still review it if I guess what, if you know what I mean. And my eyeshadow is like really like bold right now, and I'm a newbie to eyeshadow. Do not roast me. Like, again, I used the Morphe 35B palette, and I used these two shades and these two shades, and oh my god, it's so messy. I'm gonna have to take a makeup wipe and clean it off in a minute. So let's just get into this. It did come with like a cute note just saying, like, it came with like a sweet and just a thank you note for buying it, which I thought was really nice. And let me just say something, my contour looks so bad in this lighting, but it's because like I'm having to use like not natural light. Like usually I just use natural light, but I started filming way too late. Like I started doing my makeup way too late, so I'm just gonna have to deal with this right now. It makes my contour look so bad. The first thing I got was a brush. So it looks like this, and I think this is an eyeshadow brush. I'm guessing it's an eyeshadow brush, but it's like too big for my eye. Like I don't even know what my eye shape is called, but it is such a weird shape. Like this is not gonna fit eyelids, but I'll give it a whirl. I'm not gonna be testing out anything, and then so I just thought I'll like give it like a review thing. Just give it a demo. No, not demo. So next thing I can see in this is, are you ready for it? Lashes. And this ain't a bad thing, I'm just saying, they're not in English. Okay, and it was £3, and I was thinking, the only way they can probably afford to put this stuff in here is like, this ain't like a shady thing, like this is just how they do it. Like, they'll like import like a load of things. They'll import like a load of like things like lashes from like China and everything, like for dirt cheap, and yeah, and that's how they can afford to put the stuff in there. Okay, so let's open it now. And I actually like kind of like the design of these. Like, they're not too crazy, they're just kind of like a bit normal, if you know what I mean. Is that in focus? I hope it was. So I never use lashes. Like I just use this like really like cheap mascara that probably just for me. Oh god, I can't swear. I had to bleep that out. Yeah, I just use this mascara that literally does nothing for me. But you know, gotta deal with what you deal with. No, gotta deal with what you got. I think that's how you say it. And I paid 30p for first class shipping, but it still took like 2 days to get here, so I was a bit like, that was a bit of a waste of 30p. But next thing we've got is another brush, and can I just say, can you see that? So that's the brush, and can I just say, I'm an advocate stan for eBay. Like, I love a bit of eBay once in a while, and I have another makeup brush set that looks just like this because I bought like, it kind of looks like this brush. Oh my god, it's literally like exactly the same. But this is my favourite brush. This brush set cost me like £2.90. And this is my favourite brush ever. Like it's good for like blending out the crease and stuff. So it kind of looks the same, and I got a set of 12 for like £2.90. I'll put that in the description if anybody wants to buy that. But so yeah, they kind of look the same. And yeah, there's one more thing in here because it came with 4 things. It was like it can come with 3 to 5 things, I think it was. And I'm just gonna apologise for this because I am such a dumbass. Like I got this out thing and I thought it was eyeshadow, but it's not. It's like, it's literally just like pressed glitter or whatever it's called. I don't know what it's called. And like, can you see that down there? But yeah, like I literally like pressed down on it because I thought it was just like a pressed eyeshadow, but it's not. It's like literally just glitter, and it kind of like pushed the product out, which is a bit sad. And I'm just gonna be dead honest here. I'm a newbie to makeup, and I don't know how you use like glitter on your eyes or whatever, but so it looks like that. It's beautiful though. It's like, is that duochrome, triple chrome, hollow? Christine, I'm coming for you, hun. On a real, oh look, that is so pretty, but it's got like a massive dent in it because my dumb ass put my phone like in it through the package. But that is so pretty. Living for it. I'm literally just gonna like put this back in the package because I don't have like a magnetic pan to put it in, if you know what I mean. Because as I said, I'm a newbie to makeup, and this video, basically guys, I still go to school. I'm in year 11. Don't even ask me how I'm still doing YouTube when I'm in year 11. Like I've got like 20 GCSEs exams to do in like 7 months, and 7 months seems like it seems like so long away, but I'm gonna be dead honest here. I do triple science, which means I have to do like it means that I get like, and like it means I do like the harder science, if you know what I mean. And I suck at it. Like I absolutely suck. I'm just gonna be open with you guys, because even though like I get like 2 views per video, I still love this, and I still put all my work into it. Like I have this massive piece of chemistry homework to do, but what do? Film. And I'm gonna edit this and not do the chemistry homework because I just love YouTube. I just love speaking to the camera, doing my makeup, doing like this crazy eye look that I would never ever do. So yeah, that kind of sucks, and I really need to be revising, grinding for my exams, but it's not gonna happen. Like I'm probably gonna fail. Like I was on Snapchat like when everyone got their results. I'm rambling right now, but I don't even care because I love it. So I was on my Snapchat like after like all the past year 11s got their exam results, and oh my god, like most of them are tragic, and I was like, that's so gonna be me. So, and oh my god, my school flooded. Like one of the pipes burst at school, and it literally flooded. But I have to go back, and other people in my school don't. I love that. I love that for me. So, okay, back on topic now. Would I suggest getting a £3 makeup bag? Well, the brushes, like this one's cute. Like this one's got this cool ass design that rotate. I saw it on eBay for like £1, but oh wow, we step. Oh my god, it's actually so soft. That's so soft. So I got 2. Let's do a roundup now. I got 2 brushes, some lashes, and I was actually so excited for this because I don't actually own any lashes at this moment in time. So I knew like I was basically gonna get some, and I'm so happy to like finally get some lashes, even though I don't own any eyelash glue right now. And I was trying to like pull them away from like the little holder thing, and it looks like it has some glue on it, so I'll save it for a very special moment when I can just use the glue that it already has on it. And last thing is this, is it just called like pressed glitter or something? Like it's just straight up glitter that is like a beautiful shade, and it like so shimmery with this lighting, and I'm living for it. Except I literally pressed down on it so hard that it wasted half the product. But I can see the note thing. Let me just get the note thing. So it came with like this like note comes with this on it, and I've already eaten the sweet, because the candy, if from America, because I'm fat. Like, I'm literally so fat, and I love candy. That's really it. So thank you. I hope you love your mystery bag. I don't want to start like not being able to pronounce names, but it like, I don't know how you pronounce that. Like, literally don't roast me. Okay, it won't focus, but that is okay. It literally just says RHEXO, which is so cute, but I don't know how you pronounce it. I think it's just pronounced Ray, isn't it? I hope so. Let me go on to my, oh my god, let me go on to my note thing, which will tell me, like, I have like a video ideas tab in my notes, and oh, my flash is on. Kiki. Okay, so my next video is going to be, guys, get hyped for this, and I would suggest subscribing if you haven't already subscribed for this video, because it's going to be bomb, and I'm going to have to spend so much money on it, but it's okay. Are you ready for this? It's me. I'm going to be testing out Jeffree Star's new 2018 holiday collection, his liquid lipsticks. Are y'all ready for that? And I already know what two shades I'm getting. Let me pull them up. I got receipts. No, I'm going to be getting Jeffree Who. I'm going to be getting Jeffree Who and Hi, how are ya? Because these two, like, Jeffree Who is like a pinky nude, and Hi, how are you is like a glittery red, which I'm living for. Like, I'm gonna get those two shades, which is gonna be like £32. So that's gonna be so fun. And I was just subscribing for that video if you, I just clapped so loud, if you want the real tea. Because, so this video is gonna go up on Friday November 9th, which is going to be when Jeffree's lipsticks launch, and I'm going to order Jeffree's lipsticks, and the video for that will be up the Friday after this video's up. So subscribe if you want that, and just subscribe if you like me. Like this video if you think this eyeshadow is bomb AF. Bye guys. Y'all thought, no, I don't do that thing. I'm not Zoella. I don't do that. Bye guys.
Eyelashes.